And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Quiet during the day. Today, warm and humid, but as expected, things are going to get active as we head into tonight. The entire viewing area under a severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. Storms are going to be rolling through northeast Wisconsin, and some of these could be strong to severe. We're already seeing some severe storms up to the north with a line of thunderstorms stretching back across western parts of the state and then up through the north as well. Here's a look at the two severe thunderstorm warnings that we have. We have one for northern Marinette County. That's until 6:15, and then now a new warning, a severe thunderstorm warning for southern parts of Menominee County in Michigan. That is until 6:45. The main threats with these will be winds up to 60 miles per hour and then hail upwards of right around an inch in diameter. So that'd be about quarter-size hail. And we have been seeing that with some of these storms, at least based on the radar. Here's a look at our velocity showing some of these brighter shades of green. Those are gusty, strong winds. And we're even seeing a few signs of some rotation. Main threats will be damaging winds and hail for this evening, but we can't rule out an isolated tornado. So we'll watch any of these storms very closely. Hail being detected near the Daggett area, also towards Wasaki, and then further to the west, south of Silver Creek. Radar detecting a little bit of hail, possibly upwards of right around an inch. This line of storms continues back towards south of Anago and into the Wausau area. These storms will continue to move to the south and east, right around 30 miles per hour. And again, any of these could be severe as we push through this evening with that severe thunderstorm watch. This is along a cold front that's working through the state. Storms firing up along that. Much of southern and eastern parts of the state, central Wisconsin as well, all under that severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. A slight risk for severe weather for the entire viewing area. Main threats, again, hail up over an inch and then some wind damage also possible. Tornado threat is fairly low, but we can't rule it out. So again, we're going to watch these storms closely. They're going to make their way through as we go through the evening hours. Should clear northeast Wisconsin by about 10, 11 o'clock, and then the rest of the night is going to be quiet for us. It's been a warm and humid day. Dew points are into the lower 70s here in Green Bay. Appleton, it's 81 degrees. Winds out of the southwest at 11 miles per hour. Winds out ahead of the front southwest, but in Anago, they've switched to the west. So that's that cold front, and back behind that, that's going to bring some cooler and drier air to the area for tomorrow. Temperatures in the 80s this hour. Dew points tropical with dew points right around 70 degrees, and that's the fuel for these storms that are going to be moving through the area. Heat index values are into the upper 80s in a few spots. Wapaka feels like 92 degrees right now. So cold front will come through. We'll get the storms this evening. Back behind the front, some quieter weather out there for the day on your Sunday. We'll just see mostly cloudy skies later tonight and then clearing skies for tomorrow with highs in the 70s as opposed to the 80s, and it's going to be turning less humid as well. So those storms will move on through, some of them severe. We'll keep you posted throughout the evening hours, and then as we head on into tomorrow, should see these clouds break up and skies turning mostly sunny, turning less humid as well, cooler and breezy for northeast Wisconsin. Tonight, 63 degrees, evening storms. And then those storms will push on out tomorrow up to right around 75, cooler, less humid, a little bit breezy as well. And then after some more quiet weather on Monday, storm chances return as well as heat and humidity for the middle of next week. So yeah, stormy this evening, but of course, we'll keep you posted online, on air, on our social media pages as well.
Keeping you connected, of course.
Exactly.
All right, thanks so much, Matt. Well, coming up, Whitefish Dune Park. See how Door County is celebrating 50 years of Whitefish Dune being a state park.